Quality Concrete, Sawing and Drilling is Western Australia's premier cutting and drilling specialist. Servicing the commercial, domestic, civil engineering and mining sector, we are committed to exceptional workmanship at all times. At Quality Concrete, we strive to stay on the pulse of cutting-edge equipment. Our Pentruder wall saws are the latest in European technology. Using only professionally trained operators, we offer core drilling and hand sawing for a range of applications. With an excellent cutting depth, our ring saws are a versatile and valuable tool, offering an excellent solution for projects constrained by time and access. Our floor saws provide superior concrete cutting capabilities. And our wire sawing is ideal for removing large foundations and bridges. Contact us today to discuss your cutting and drilling needs. And remember, for an exceptional service that does not compromise on safety, Quality Concrete Sawing and Drilling is Western Australia's premier choice.